Welcome to the nohomanga, or lounge. In this lesson, we're going to learn some kupu, words of different things in the nohomanga, lounge. First of all, let's get comfortable. This is called a hāneanea. It's the word for couch or sofa, but it literally translates to comfortable. Something that's always not far from my reach is the raumamao, or remote. I'm just going to turn on the whakaata, or television. Oh no, I have to get up to close the ārai, or curtains, and turn the rama, light off. While I'm up, I might just grab an ōkaka, a snack. Perfect. Ready now for my movie night.